Creators, where creativity meets hustle, and every sale is a step closer to the dream. Some rise, some fall, but the bold keep pushing forward. This is the journey of a creator, an entrepreneur, and a visionary. This is Novelty Queen's Vlogs.
Hey Royalty fam, what's going on? Okay, it's Sunday, so usually I do my, well, not usually, I told you I created a schedule for this month, and I've been working on it, even though I haven't been posting as much, well, long form content, that is. I've been posting every day on my short form, and more so than often on my community tab, but, you know, long form content takes a lot to record and edit and all that stuff, but I'm still working on it. Anyway, I have my long form that I'm working on right now. I was trying to get that up for today. I don't know if that's going to be a possibility. I'm thinking if I should hold it until next Friday or if I should do it sometime during the week, though the content that I created wouldn't really quite make sense for like midweek or Okay, so let me just take this moment to say that the content in which I'm referencing was originally for Friday, pushed off to Saturday, and now Sunday, and who knows what. This is not all the content that will be going out for next week. I do have some graphic designs that I'm preparing for you for Monday, so look out for that. On Tuesday, we have our Crafting with Novelty, and on Friday, we're going to end the week with a little visual diary for the beginning of the week, given that it's like a end of the week content, but I don't know, I'll figure that out later on. And another thing, my jewelry collection is coming along. Like, I can't wait. So these ones I came up with yesterday. Today is March 23rd, Sunday. So on March 22nd, I came up with this design. I don't know what I should call these. Like, these are yin and yang for one, but I don't know if I should call it balance. Like, I don't know. So y'all let me know what y'all think, but I love these. Oh my, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I created them last night. I couldn't wake up. I created them last night. I'm too excited. I created them last night and I couldn't wait to wake up to put them on. I could not wait to wake up and put them on. The next thing I have to work, and I did my hair. I did my hair last night as well, washed it, and I've been trying to do this style for about 2 weeks now. It finally somewhat turned out. I kind of like the turnout, though this is not really what I was trying to achieve. I was trying to do waves, but my hair is natural. It's not permed, so obtaining that look, I think I would have to perm my hair. So for now, I'm just gonna work with what it can do, and it's this, and I'm very pleased about it, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna work with it. So the next thing after that, right, because I've been working on here up my presentation, I have to get back into putting myself together. Hold on, hands are kind of dry. It's so funny because I was watching somebody's vlog the other day and they're a creative just like me, and it's so hilarious because in the midst of it she was like doing something, showing us something, and then she realized like, oh shoot, my hands are dry, let me draw for my lotion right quick. And under the comment section I was like, funny enough, like that always happened to me. My hands are forever always dry. I don't know why. Before it never used to be like that. I don't know, but there we go. Better. Anyway, as I was saying, now I just have to work on dressing up. But to be honest, like, I'm waiting for summertime because with these statement pieces that I'm creating, my earrings, my hairstyle, my short hairstyle, because I'm rocking this short hairstyle. So with my short hairstyle, I want to be rocking my little dresses, and I have like visuals of how I want to dress. Visuals. So I'm working on that, trying to put that in play. I need to come up with a new, I was gonna come up with some Easter tumblers, but time is of the essence, and I don't know, like I can't formulate any Easter designs right now, but maybe later on I will attempt and y'all could tell me. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work. But for sure, I do want to come up with some spring designs overall. And I would like to come up with some summer designs. I do want to do some for my phone cases because I haven't really been putting out too much tumblers or phone cases or t-shirts, you know, lately. I've kind of been caught up in the loop of phone cases and jewelry. And speaking of which, my hands feel so bare. I need to get my bracelets because this look just ain't complete without it, you know? But anyway, I am going to try my best to finish this upload. I don't know if it's the internet and my speed or if it's the space or whatever, but uploading, downloading takes forever. Like I was trying to upload from Friday, hoping that it would have been finished so I could have put it up on Friday. That didn't work out. I was like, okay, maybe Saturday. That didn't work out. Looking at Sunday, it's 11:55. Hopefully it does work out because I'm kind of proud of this, but I also do have a few little extra footage that I need to take. So I'm gonna do that and see if I can post it for later on. I'm hoping that I can. Anywho, I am trying to, you know, make a little effort of, as I keep saying, my visual diary. I'm trying to come on and do a little 1-2, say a little 1-2, and then out. So this is my 1-2 for today. Stay soft, keep dreaming, and let's build the life we love. Catch you later, Novelty fam.
Bye.